According to the news agency, the South Korean intelligence agency officially confirmed on December 27th that a North Korean soldier was captured by the Ukrainian army while fighting in Russian territory. South Korea's National Intelligence Service stated that, through real-time information shared by an intelligence agency of a friendly country, they have confirmed that a North Korean soldier has been captured. They plan to thoroughly monitor the developments. This confirmation followed the South Korean side's disclosure on December 26th. The Ukrainian military news channel reported that Ukrainian special forces had captured the North Korean soldier during operations in Russia's western territories. If confirmed, this would mark the first time Ukraine has captured a North Korean soldier during combat. According to South Korean officials, about 11,000 North Korean soldiers have been deployed to Russia to fight in the ongoing conflict. There are also signs that Pyongyang plans to deploy more troops and military equipment. The Pentagon spokesman, Major General Pat Ryder, said the U.S. has also gathered signs that the North Korean army has suffered casualties, including both killed and wounded soldiers. Earlier this week, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky stated that North Korea had suffered more than 3,000 casualties in the inter-Korean region, according to the Ukrainian newspaper Pravda. Ukrainian Special Operations Forces shared notes from a North Korean soldier's notebook found in Russia's Fung Kwok area. The soldier, identified as Private Gong Hong Jong, was part of a North Korean Special Forces unit. His notebook detailed tactics for taking down drones and avoiding Ukrainian artillery fire. The notes include illustrations and methods such as using soldiers as decoys. The handbook also describes forming a team of 3 when detecting a drone. One acts as bait to lure the drone, while another shoots it down from a distance of 10 to 12 meters. To avoid artillery fire, soldiers are advised to split into small groups and leave the line of fire quickly. Private Gong Hong Jong also wrote personal notes, including wishing a fellow soldier a happy birthday while stationed in Russia. The Institute of War Studies, ISW, stated that language barriers have significantly hindered coordination between Russian and North Korean forces, leading to incidents such as friendly fire and poor communication. A recent example includes a North Korean unit mistakenly firing on a Russian Special Forces vehicle, resulting in multiple casualties. Experts warn that such systemic issues will likely continue to degrade combat effectiveness in the region. While Ukraine has reported heavy losses inflicted on North Korean troops, analysts caution against underestimating the elite units such as the Storm Corps, which are highly trained commandos. Although Pyongyang has dismissed such reports as fake news, South Korean intelligence assesses that most North Korean soldiers in Russia belong to these elite units, which lack modern combat experience. This raises questions about their adaptability to open-field warfare along the Russian border. Russia and North Korea have neither officially confirmed nor denied the deployment of North Korean troops, citing mutual agreements that allegedly comply with international law. The presence of North Korean forces in Russia remains a point of contention, sparking concerns in Ukraine and among Western allies.